In today's show, Bitcoin sees quite healthy consolidation on $200 million Bitcoin options expiry day. That's right, everything is bullish except the price on today's $200 million options expiry, and attention focuses on corporate quarterly disclosures. I'll be breaking down the latest technical analysis from crypto analyst Pentoshi, Mikhail Van de Poppe, and Jan and Yan of Glassnode. Also in today's show, breaking news, Satoshi Nakamoto statue goes up in Budapest. That's right, check out how sexy it is right here. It's a reminder we are all Satoshi. I'll be breaking this down for you. Also in today's show, Ethereum eyes $6,500 bullish target as the Ethereum price chart paints a cup and handle. That's right, Ethereum price could explode to $6,500 in the coming sessions, as Peter Brandt and Raoul Pal point out here. Also in today's show, breaking news as of today, PayPal's UK customers can now buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin, as they share in this announcement right here. We are delighted to share that all eligible customers in the UK can now buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin from their PayPal accounts. Look out for it in the PayPal app. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ether, and most major altcoins are currently correcting and in the red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more, in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. The goal is to get to 50,000 subscribers. If you like earning money in cryptocurrency, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, if you missed Tika Tuare's live event he held on September 15th entitled The Catch-Up Coin, Hyper Boom, you can still check out the replay for a limited time by using my referral link in the description right down below. Once you click it, it'll take you here. Simply enter your best email address, then click this yellow button that says sign me up, and it will redirect you here to this limited time replay. He does reveal the name of his number one cryptocurrency pick, absolutely free. So to take advantage of this, once again, click the link in the description right down below. Check out this limited time replay and enjoy. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, Shay V. How's it going, crypto fam? Holla at your boy in the live chat. Bitcoin ranged around 48,000 this morning on Friday as hopes of a bull run endured thanks to low supply and upcoming corporate disclosures. And right here, you're looking at the Bitcoin 1 hour candle chart. Let's talk about anticipation builds for cross crypto breakout as data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin continuing to consolidate this morning with the latest options expiry now due. The pair had made little progress since bouncing off $47,000 the day before, but bullish expectations amongst analysts were also firmly intact. And as Cointelegraph reported, these resolve around a supply squeeze driving the prices up, a combination of increased demand, while long-term hodlers already own 80% of the Bitcoin supply. And quoting crypto analyst Pentoshi here, Bitcoin tell me this wasn't a perfect bull flag into a perfect SR test into demand. Breakout can reclaim an equal moon soon. Keep in mind alt supply and ETF season ahead likely to be key drivers plus disclosures. And here's the 4 hour chart you can see right here on your screen. And Mikhail Van de Poppe shares, I don't think you should worry about the market consolidating here. Quite healthy. Altcoins still rocking. Great months to come in crypto. And a look at the buy and sell levels on major exchange Binance confirmed resistance beginning at 48,600. This having crept lower during the consolidation, and buy interest meanwhile still lays at 44,000. However, calmer conditions on derivatives platforms likewise cooled concerns over a repeat of last week's major sell-off when Bitcoin lost $10,000 in a single day. Over leveraged trading saw a wipeout, and leverage has since stayed considerably lower. Now slightly positive funding rates suggest that the market is much better positioned for sustainable upside, bullish but without irrationality. And as Jan and Yan of Glassnode Analytics share right here, traders in Bitcoin futures markets remain reasonably bullish with positive funding rate returning to perpetual swap contracts. Note how funding rates are positive but not up to the same level as before the $10,000 sell-off last week. The Bitcoin market is bullish but cautious. That's right. Let me know if you agree or disagree with these crypto analysts. And before I break down our next breaking story of the day, Satoshi Nakamoto statue goes up in Budapest, looking as sexy as ever, as well as Ethereum eyes $6,500 bullish target as the Ethereum price chart paints a cup and handle, as well as PayPal's UK customers can now buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ether, and most major altcoins are currently correcting in the red, with Bitcoin down 0.25% for the day, trading just above 47,000. $400. We have Ethereum down almost 3%, trading just under $3,500. Solana down 10%, trading at $140. ADA Cardano down almost 3%, trading at $2.37. And Chainlink down 6%, trading at $28.56. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. A bronze depiction of the legendary Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto is now on display for visitors of Graphisoft Park in Budapest. As they share in this reveal video, you can see all the people gathered all around to see this bronze depiction of Satoshi Nakamoto. And here's some other photos that were shared, and a reminder, we are all Satoshi, and this is probably my favorite photo of them all. Now, quoting Georfi right here, whoever he or she was, Bitcoin creates value, and especially the technology behind Bitcoin, blockchain, creates value. And also we have the CEO of Hungarian crypto exchange, Shinrai, also spoke at the ceremony, adding the following: Satoshi Nakamoto has created an independent money free of any middlemen that empowered people with financial sovereignty. We have erected this statue to remind ourselves courage is virtue. We need to keep on dreaming big. Very wise words. I personally love it. And first announced in May, the statue created by Gregory Recca and Thomas Gilly was intentionally designed with a mirrored face, seemingly to express the idea we are all Satoshi to onlookers. And Mr. Coin, Crypto, Academia, and Blockchain Hungary Association and Blockchain Budapest all back the statue of Satoshi project. Now, Satoshi's likeness will be in the park near depictions of Apple co-founder Steve Jobs, as well as other notable figures, though there has long been speculation about Satoshi's identity and appearance. As we all know the mystery, right? No one has successfully identified the Bitcoin creator. That's right. Do you feel that Satoshi's identity will ever be revealed? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our next story of the day, Ethereum eyes $6,500 bullish target as the Ethereum price chart paints a cup and handle, as well as breaking news. PayPal's UK customers can now buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just above $2.1 trillion with $110 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is 42.2%, with the Ether dominance at 19.1%. And checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Shiba leading the pack, pun intended, up 26% for the day, but still trading at virtually nothing. We have Audio up 23%, trading just under $3, and Avalanche up 10%, trading at $66.26. Now, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on during this bull run? Let me know in the comments right down below. And now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 48 out of 100, which is neutral. Yesterday was a 53, last week a 46, and last month a 73 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Ethereum's blockchain native asset Ether faces the prospect of exploding towards $6,500 in the coming sessions. And Peter Brandt shared this chart regarding Litecoin and wrote, agree, once a macro cap regulated to the heap will reemerge as a macro cap again. And then macro investor Raoul Powell wrote, Ethereum looks like a cup and handle too. Thoughts? And Russ and Sydney responded, it's not the only major crypto with cup and handle. The crypto complex looks headed for a major move. And Raoul Powell wrote, agreed. Now, the bullish analogy takes cues from a textbook technical pattern dubbed cup and handle. In detail, a cup and handle structure develops after the price first rallies significantly to the upside and then corrects to carve out a rounding bottom called the cup. The move follows a rebound towards the prior high and a failed breakout attempt above the said level, and as a result, the price pulls back once again and grinds out a smaller rounding bottom called the handle. Now, ultimately, the price returns to a prior high for the second time and breaks out successfully, resulting in a move equal to the cup's depth. So it seems that the Ethereum/USD exchange rate has painted a cup and is now forming a handle, as is shown in this chart. You can see right here in your screen. Now, the depth of Ethereum/USD's cup is nearly $2,437, and as a result, should pair a retest of 4,112 resistance for a bullish breakout move, its prospect of rising by as much as $2,437 will increase increase, and in doing so, Ether would eye up a run towards $6,549. How many of you are currently bullish on Ethereum? Let me know in the live chat. And a Harvard study shows the cup and handle patterns have a 65% and 68% success rate in forex and stock markets respectively on daily time frame charts. Now let's discuss the institutional FOMO. Like a mofo, Ether's upside analogy appears against the backdrop of a growing institutional interest. In a report published on September 7th, Standard Chartered, a multinational banking giant headquartered in London, discussed Ethereum's economic use case, adding that the cost to purchase one ETH could grow to $26,000 to $35,000 in the future. Quoting them here, the current transition to ETH 2.0 could transform ETH by increasing its functionality and scalability and reducing environmental concerns, although it could raise more complex security issues, the report stated, along with the following: timelines for ETH 2.0 rollout could slip, but in the near term decreasing net supply as ETH is staked for ETH 2.0 should provide price cushion. And in a new interview with CNBC, Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, said that her firm would split its crypto investments into 60% Bitcoin and 40% Ether, and the former AllianceBernstein executive envisioned a higher demand for ETH tokens in the wake of ongoing growth in Ethereum-backed decentralized finance and non-fungible token craze. So there you have it. What are your thoughts regarding Cathie Wood's diversification of 60% Bitcoin and 40% Ether? What are your thoughts surrounding this $26,000 to $35,000 Ethereum price prediction by Standard Chartered, as well as Ethereum heading to $6,500 here in the near term? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our final breaking story of the day, PayPal's UK customers can now buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 930 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button and help me get to 50,000 subs, especially if you like earning money in cryptocurrency. And of course, you can follow me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes and Google Play. And you can follow me on crypto Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Global payments giant PayPal disclosed this morning on Friday that its customers in the UK can now buy, sell, and hold multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, and do it directly from their accounts. As they shared this morning in this announcement, we are delighted to share that all eligible customers in the UK can now buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin from their PayPal accounts. Look out for it in the PayPal app, where my UK fam at makes some noise in the live chat. Now, like the US version of its digital assets products, PayPal said it will continue to use New York licensed crypto company Paxos to facilitate the buying, selling, and holding of the supported assets. The company's UK customers can now buy or sell the aforementioned cryptos for as low as €1. The company said in a statement last month when it first made the announcement that it intends to expand to Great Britain. With the offering fully live in the UK, the region has become the first international expansion of the firm's cryptocurrency products, which initially launched in the United States in October of last year, which sent the crypto market booming, I must point out as well. And since PayPal flagged off its cryptocurrency services, the company has recorded significant engagement on its platform and has also seen major increase in revenue. In March this year, the company introduced a crypto checkout service to enable its customers to pay for goods and services using digital currencies across its 29 million online merchants globally. The massive success of PayPal's crypto initiative in the US has given the company the assurance that its offerings will succeed in the UK. Quoting them here, it has been doing really well in the US. We expect it's going to do well in the UK. Jose Fernandez, PayPal's general manager for blockchain, crypto, and digital currencies, told CNBC in an interview last month. And despite the success of its crypto offerings, the company is still working around the clock to ensure its clients have a friendly experience using the service, and PayPal plans to launch a super app wallet for digital assets in the US. The firm is also putting together a cryptocurrency team in Ireland that will focus on different roles, such as anti-money laundering, regulatory compliance, as well as business development. So there you have it. And now for a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. Bitcoin sees quite healthy consolidation on $200 million Bitcoin options expiry day. Also shared breaking news of Satoshi Nakamoto statue going up in Budapest, as you can see right here. Also in today's show, we discussed Ethereum eyeing $6.5 thousand bullish target as the Ethereum price chart paints a cup and handle, as well as PayPal's UK customers can now buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. But where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. I want to show some love for the recent super chat contributions, which came in from Farshad, Manza, Lawrence, and Ellen. I greatly appreciate your contributions. And now for the top 3 comments from yesterday's episode. Bianca wrote, "Thanks, JV. Love your show. I've been watching for over a year now. Never miss a show. You always deliver the most relevant news in a short period of time. It's perfect. Let's go BTC. $220,000 before the end of the year." And my response, Bianca, you're very welcome, fam. I appreciate your continued support every day over the past year. You are amazing and a true gem. Keep stacking them stats. And yes, $220,000 Bitcoin end of year. Sounds blessed. One love. And the next featured comment comes from Katie Lux, who wrote, "Fabulous, fantastic, friendly JV. Thank you for your amazing thumbnails and incredible hopium. One love. Always a pleasure. Katie, you're the bestest. One love." And the third and final comment comes from my man Pokemon, who wrote, "Hi JV, another great show, packed with information and your intelligent insights. It is great to see the Crypto News Alerts family growing and sharing. Take care. God bless you and yours. God bless you, Pokemon. I greatly appreciate your continued support, and to be featured in tomorrow's episode, drop me a comment right down below." Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell icon to turn on all notifications and help me get to 50,000 subs. And real quick before I go, just in case you missed this live event that went down the other day with Tikatwari entitled The Catch-Up Coin Hyper Boom, where he reveals 6 catch-up coins which can bridge the financial gap between the life you currently have and the life that you want in as little as 10 months. He even reveals the name of his #1 cryptocurrency pick absolutely free during this live event. So once again, if you missed it, you can still catch the replay for a limited time by using my referral link in the description right down below. Once you click it, it'll take you here. Simply enter your favorite email address, click that yellow button that says sign me up, and it will redirect you to this limited time replay. Enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.